Advantech and Micron have joined forces in an exciting strategic partnership. Advantech proudly serves as one of Micron's IQ partners, working together to develop cutting-edge IoT devices and systems that fully harness the power of Micron's memory and storage solutions. With Advantech's advanced industrial systems at the core, our products are perfectly suited for the world of IoT. Whether it's factory automation, surveillance, smart grid, transportation, or server applications, we have you covered. This collaboration between Advantech and Micron opens up a whole new range of IoT applications, offering not only high-performance solutions, but also long-term reliability and top-notch quality. And to top it all off, we've made product lifecycle management a breeze. Together with Advantech, we can envision a new era in the world of IoT. To learn more about the latest IoT trends, partner solutions, and exciting IoT opportunities, make sure to join us at Advantech WPC 2023. Firstly, to reunite with industrial AI ecosystem partners. Number 2, to find out industrial AI future trends and business opportunities. And 3, to get to know the latest technologies and products from Advantech. Co-creating the future of the world of IoT. See you at Advantech's World Partner Conference.